Hi there! Today I will transform something looking like this to something looking like this. The blueprints I used for this build, you can download them for free from Thomasson Design. You can find the address in the video description below. First, I need to transfer the measures from the blueprint to the wood and draw the profile of the paddle. That is the upper picture here. Now I have fed the lines. Then I cut the profile using a jigsaw. As this is rather thick material, I work slowly. One step forward and then restart, to allow the sawdust to slip out. More backing and restarting in the turns. I work on both sides in parallel to reduce vibrations in the leftover wood. Around the bigger bends, more restarting is needed to see the crack and also to take the bend. After cutting the raw profile, I trim the edge, first with the planer and then with the sander. Now I roughly draw the profile on the side. Draw a middle help line. For removing material in the other dimension. I trim one side first with a planer and sander, before I turn the raw paddle. And check how much more material to remove. I can now draw the profile on the side. That is the lower picture here. Now I will cut off the excess material. First I secure the material and start cutting. As the blade is not long enough, I will have to do a second cut from the other side. Also some hand sawing is necessary, as a jigsaw do not cut straight. After some fiddling around, I can remove the excess. If you do this yourself later, you might consider to use a hand saw for the whole piece. Then I smoothen this side as well. It is not so important with the finish yet, as I will have to work more on this side. But I still finish with one thin cut over the whole surface to make it flat. Now I can measure the ridge that will provide most of the strength to this paddle and draw the profile of the ridge. Also on this side. Some material can be removed with the planer. But the sander is a better tool for the precision work. I remove most material with brutal strokes and polish a rounding afterwards with softer strokes. The last rounding is done by hand. As spruce is soft, I put epoxy on all surfaces to strengthen it. Also on the handle, although this was not recommended from the blueprints. After a test run, I take down the rough surface on the blades, but not on the handle. Some roughness improves the grip. All surfaces get a couple of layers of varnish. And then off you go. If you like this video, please consider to leave a like. Hope to see you next time.